Part 8. Intelligent TTO Automatic Paging Printer. Intelligent TTO Automatic Paging Printer CF-TTO. It is mainly designed for automatic printing applications required by prefabricated granule and prefabricated bag products. It is equipped with a thermal transfer printer, enabling large area content to be printed on demand online. It can print nutrition facts, ingredient lists, and more for the food industry. It can also print large amounts of text information, such as QR codes and formulas for the traditional Chinese medicine industry, as well as other large area text content. It can also print dynamic QR code information for industries such as veterinary medicine, pesticides, and seeds. It supports all large area content that can be achieved with leaf-by-leaf pre-printed bands, using patented segmented bag conveying and power induction for more accurate and reliable detection, ensuring no missed prints. The Sanfu T6 is suitable for unpackaged plastic bags and aluminum foil bags, soft cards, sheet films, and other flexible media widely used in the food, beverage, pharmaceutical, Qinggong beverage, and daily chemical industries. Its advantage lies in the use of dual-frequency conversion motor control for the belt, ensuring stable operation. It adopts a patented non-integrated design. The traditional mechanism provides more precise position control for printing, ensuring no missed prints. Equipped with imported servo connectors, thermal soft and hard coding machine, the printing results are more aesthetically pleasing and stable. Remember the parameters, voltage specifications. It's 220 volts, 50/60 Hz with a power consumption of 500 watts. Labeling speed is 0 to 45 meters per minute. Printing frequency per minute. 0 to 100 packs per minute. Suitable materials include filter bands and plastic bags. Soft paper cards. Sheet type. Films and other materials. Weight 70 kilograms. Main unit dimensions: 650 millimeters wide, 1,310 millimeters high. The printable area can print 32 by 75 millimeters, 53 by 75 millimeters, and 107 by 75 millimeters. Application video. Kink. Is extremely clear.